Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting and practical. How to transfer ETH from Ethereum to Sol on Solana using the Phantom wallet. If you're into crypto and want to swap chains seamlessly, especially with the updates coming in 2025, this guide is perfect for you. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Phantom wallet installed on your device. It's available for both mobile and desktop, and it's one of the most user-friendly wallets out there. If you don't have it yet, head to the App Store, Google Play, or the Chrome Web Store and download it now. Once you're set up, ensure your wallet is funded with some ETH and that you have a Solana account linked. Step 1. Open your Phantom wallet and connect it to a bridge service. In 2025, popular options like Wormhole or Portal are your go-to for cross-chain transfers. These bridges make moving assets between Ethereum and Solana a breeze. Go to the bridge's website, select Phantom as your wallet provider, and authorize the connection. Step 2. Choose your assets. Select ETH as the token you want to transfer and Sol as the destination chain. Enter the amount of ETH you're transferring. Remember, there might be some fees involved, so double-check those gas prices on Ethereum side. Step 3. Review and confirm. Phantom will show you a summary of the transaction, including estimated times and costs. Make sure everything looks good, then hit confirm. This process might take a few minutes, as cross-chain swaps aren't instantaneous, but it's way faster than in previous years. A quick tip. Always use hardware wallets for larger amounts to keep your assets secure, and keep an eye on network congestion, especially with Ethereum's updates in 2025. If you run into issues, double-check your wallet connections or reach out to Phantom's support. There you have it. That's how you transfer ETH to Sol on Phantom in 2025. It's a game changer for diversifying your portfolio across blockchains. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's keep building that crypto knowledge together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.